Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro, the channel where we fix real HP printer problems step by step. Today we are talking about a message that stops people cold. Printer must be enrolled. Your HP printer refuses to print, telling you it is locked to an HP Instant Ink subscription, even if you stopped a second-hand HP printer and found it was still tied to someone else's account. Let's go. Emeka had just bought a second-hand HP printer. He was ready to use it. The printer had other ideas. The printer was not broken. It was locked, tied to an active HP Instant Ink subscriptions from the previous owner. "7 months and 17 days left on a plan I never signed up for." The fix has 3 parts. Log into the original HP account, cancel the printer from the account, in that exact order. Log in, cancel the plan, remove the printer, in that order. Canceling the plan means following every confirmation cancel button. HP requires multiple confirmations. Stop early and the plan stays active. It is done. The plan is canceled. Canceling the plan is not enough on its own. The printer must also be if you skip this step even after cancellation. Remove the device, confirm, done. With the plan canceled and the printer removed from the account, the enrolled message should be completely gone. Time to test it. That is all it needed. Someone to let it go. When a printer shows that enrolled message, the problem is never in the hardware. It is always in the account. Find the account and you find the fix. When a printer is locked, check the account before you check the machine. Here is the complete fix. Step 1. Log into the original HP account that enrolled the printer. If you bought it secondhand, contact the original owner. You cannot do this without access to that account. Step 2. Go to the Instant Ink or HP Plus dashboard, find the active plan, and cancel it completely. Follow every confirmation prompt. Do not stop at the first cancel button. Step 3. Go to Enrolled Devices, select your printer, and remove it. Step 4. Restart the printer. The enrolled message will be gone. If this fixed it, hit like. It helps more people find this fix. Before you go, thank you for watching PrinterFix Pro. The enrolled error catches a lot of people off guard, especially when buying secondhand. It is always tell me which HP printer you are using. I read every one. Subscribe if you are not already. New HP fixes every week. No jargon, just what works. Until next time, keep printing, and remember, when a printer is locked, check the account before you check the machine.